Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hello students. In this meeting today we are going to study about the next tenses in grammar. That is present perfect tense. Are you ready? So here it is, present perfect tense. I'm going to explain you. The first is about the function of present perfect tense. Fungsi yang pertama adalah menyatakan suatu kegiatan atau pekerjaan yang telah selesai atau sudah dilakukan tanpa mementingkan kapan waktunya dimulai. Mari kita lihat contohnya. I have already written some stories. Saya sudah menulis beberapa cerita. Eddie has gone to Mecca. Eddie telah pergi ke Mekah. Fungsi yang kedua adalah membicarakan action yang dimulai pada waktu lampau dan masih belum selesai hingga saat berbicara. For example, they have lived here since 2015. Mereka telah tinggal di sini sejak 2015. John has written an article for an hour. John sudah menulis sebuah artikel selama 1 jam. Fungsi selanjutnya adalah menunjukkan pengulangan atas suatu tindakan atau kejadian. For example, I have watched that movie 3 times already. Saya telah menonton film itu 3 kali. My young brother has eaten 3 donuts since this morning. Adik saya telah memakan 3 buah donat sejak tadi pagi. Well, students, there are 3 important things before you make sentences in simple present perfect tense. Ada 3 poin penting sebelum kalian menyusun sebuah kalimat dalam bentuk present perfect tense. Poin yang pertama adalah penggunaan has atau have, yang berarti sudah atau telah. Dan yang kedua, verb 3. Menggunakan kata kerja bentuk ketiga baik dalam kalimat positif, negatif, dan kalimat tanya. Dan yang ketiga, adverb of time. Keterangan waktunya seperti ever, never, already, yet, still, just, so far, recently, dan lain sebagainya. Mari kita lihat penggunaan has dan have untuk beberapa subjek. Has, it is used for the subject she, he, it. She has, he has, it has. Have, it is used for the subject I, you, we, they. I have, you have, we have, they have. Remember, untuk menyusun sebuah kalimat dalam bentuk present perfect tense adalah menggunakan kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Ini adalah beberapa contoh perubahan kata kerja. There are 2 kinds of verb, regular and irregular verbs. Remember, regular adalah kata kerja yang beraturan, irregular verbs adalah kata kerja yang tidak beraturan. Mari kita lihat contoh untuk regular verbs. Play becomes played, played. Study, studied, studied. Open, open it, open it. Untuk irregular verb contohnya, see, saw, seen. Write, wrote, written. Eat, ate, eaten. Speak, spoke, spoken. Karena irregular verb, perubahannya tidak beraturan, so you have to memorize it. Keterangan waktu yang biasa digunakan dalam menyusun sebuah kalimat present perfect tense. Yang pertama adalah just. Already, yet, since. For, recently, lately, so far, still, ever, all the time, all the day, all the week. Next, how to make sentences in positive form. Well, student, look at the pattern. Subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus adverb. For example, she has gone to Bangkok recently. They have already come. I have waited for 2 hours. What about in negative forms? Here it is. Look at the pattern. Subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3 plus adverb. Here the example. She has not gone to Bangkok recently. They have not already come yet. I have not waited for 2 hours. Here, how to make sentences in interrogative form. The pattern is have or has plus subject plus verb 3 plus adverb. The example. Has she gone to Bangkok? Yes, she has. Have they already come? No, they have not. Have they waited for 2 hours? No, they have not. Well, student, time to exercise. I have 4 questions for you. Are you ready? You only change into English. Mereka baru saja tiba di bandara. The correct answer is they have just arrived in the airport. Number 2, apakah mereka sudah menelpon kamu? The correct answer is have they called you? Number 3, apakah kamu sudah menikah? The correct answer is have you got married? Number 4, ayah saya belum datang ke kantor. The correct answer is my father has not come in the office yet. Well, student, that's my explanation about present perfect tense. Thank you for attention. See you next meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.